How's my hair? Nice? My hair's good? Okay, good.
That's wonderful.
So this is the dusting brush, and it's designed for dusting tables, furniture, fans. We just finished doing the fan. Now we're going to do the grill. Now if you look here, all that stuff, all that's simply telling you there's a lot of pollution in the air. This is called the intake. And what it does, it brings air in to circulate it throughout the whole house. So this is an indicator there's a lot of pollution in the air, which means that's what you're breathing. Look how effortless this pulls it out. It's like child's play. Look at this. Walk in the park. Have the ice cream and eat it too. Look. It's not even like you're doing anything, but you can clearly see that it is pulling all the pollution. So what's happening is dry dust sticks to dry dust. And that's how that you got all that stuff all in there. Wow. Got brand new grill. Okay. And when you're done, you just suck the dirt right into it. You want me to do half the grill? You want me to do the whole grill for you?
The whole grill.
That's right. I like it.
Of
Come on, Angel. Hook me up. Yeah, this is beautiful. Look, I'm breathing clean air. You're breathing clean air as we're actually doing it because the dust is going into the water.
The question to me, to you is, do you want me half healthy or all the way healthy?
I love it. I love it. You do sales on your regular job?
Yes, I do.
Marketing, I love it. That came out. That was exuding.
You could tell, right?
I love it. Got a beautiful home here, but now you have a very beautiful, clean home. And don't forget, it's not your fault. It's just a tool we're using, just our manufacturer. All right, so this is the dusting brush, and this is designed for doing table, furniture, drapery. We just finished doing the fan. Came out like brand new. Last, when you're done, take a second and clean it up. So there you have. That's how you do the dusting in your house. Don't use a feather duster. Don't use a dust rag. When you use a regular vacuum, it sucks it in and it blows it to the back. This will suck it into the water. If you can put the camera on the water so you can show them. All right. And then what we do, all the dust, wet dust can't fly. Once it's in the water, it's done. And I'll open it up. It has hydraulics. You push this button. It opens it up. And then check that out from the grill, a little bit from the couches, and a little bit from the That's just contamination and everything.
Look at y'all. That's disgusting.
Looks like a little baby raccoon in there.
Oh my goodness.
So there you have it. So that's how you. All right, we're good.